Hello everyone, my name is Subham Singh. Welcome you all in Education Tutorials. Today I am going to give a tribute to our ex-president Pranab Mukherjee. We all know that he was born on 11 December 1935 and died on 31st August 2020. When we talk about his earlier life and where he was born, then he was born into a Bengali family at Meerut, a village in Bengal Presidency of British India, now in Birbhum district, West Bengal. His father, Kamada Kinkar Mukherjee, was active in Indian independence movement. When we talk about the life of Pranab Mukherjee as he was a member of West Bengal Legislative Council between 1952 and 1964 as a representative of Indian National Congress. He was a member of AICC. His mother was Rajlakshmi Mukherjee. He was two siblings, older sister Annapurna and younger brother Piyush. He attended the Suri Vidyasagar College in Suri, Birbhum, then affiliated to University of Calcutta. He subsequently earned an MA degree in Political Science and History and LLB degree from both University of Calcutta. He was an upper division clerk in the Office of Deputy Accountant General, Post and Telegraph in Calcutta. In 1963, he became a lecturer assistant professor of Political Science at Vidyanagar College, Kolkata, and he has also worked as a journalist with the Desar Da Call of Motherland before entering politics. Means this all are the earlier life of Pranab Mukherjee. So whenever we talk about this Pranab Mukherjee, we can see his earlier life also. Mukherjee got his break in politics in 1969 when the Prime Minister Indira Gandhi helped him to get elected to Rajya Sabha, the upper house of Parliament of India, on a Congress ticket. Following a meteoric rise, he became one of the Gandhi's most trusted lieutenants and a minister in her cabinet in 1973. Means he was one of the most trusted person in Indira Gandhi Parliament. Mukherjee's service in a number of ministerial capacities culminated in his first stint as a finance minister of India in 1982 to 84. He was also the leader of the house in the Rajya Sabha from 1980 to 1985. When we talk about Mukherjee's life, we can see that two times in his life he got opportunity to become the Prime Minister of our country. At a time, first time when Indira Gandhi died, he got opportunity to become Prime Minister, but due to some cases, Rajiv Gandhi was elected as the Prime Minister of our country, and at that time he was very the relation between Rajiv Gandhi and Pranab Mukherjee was not a very good at that time. Second time, after President of Congress Sonia Gandhi elected as a Prime Minister candidate Manmohan Singh, he can also become the at that time also Pranab Mukherjee was the most trusted person of Congress, and he was also, people were thinking that he will be the candidate of president, not as a Prime Minister, but he was at that time also he was not elected as a Prime Minister of our country. We can see his career was dedicated fully for the nation. He served in our country as every post except Home Minister. He served as in the Congress Parliament. He served as every post. He was Minister of Defence also, Finance Minister also, Minister of Commerce and Industry also. Means every post Pranab Mukherjee showed his excellence, and he was one of the most reputed leader of the parliament, and people of every party respected him, and he gained respect from every party. We can see that his life was admired by each and every politician. People used to speak about him as like he was a father figure of him. Someone told that he was one of the best prominent leader for him, and to keep his word in a peaceful manner, it's a very big issue for every person. Like somebody get angry in speaking something, somebody got get controversy in that. But Pranab Mukherjee was one of the most excellent leader at that time, and he has showed his excellence in every time. When we talk about his illness and death, we can see that during the COVID pandemic on 10th August 2020, Mukherjee announced on Twitter that he had tested positive for COVID-19 prior to his surgery to remove a blood clot in his brain. He was admitted to the hospital after accidentally slipping and falling in his bathroom. He was on ventilator support in critical condition at Army Research and Referral RR Hospital in Delhi. On 13 August, the hospital reported that Mukherjee was in a deep coma after he underwent brain surgery. However, his vital parameters remained stable. On 19 August, the Army Research and Referral Hospital said that the health condition of Mukherjee has declined and he had developed a lung infection. On 25th August, his renal parameter became slightly deranged, with the condition worsening days later. Mukherjee died on 31st August 2020, aged 84, which was confirmed by his son Abhijit Mukherjee via Twitter. His death report was like that: with a heavy heart, this is to inform you that my father Sri Pranab Mukherjee has just passed away in spite of the best effort of doctor of RR Hospital, prayers, duas, prathanas from people throughout India. I thank all of you. This was the tweet which was of his son, and after this people realized that Pranab Mukherjee was no more. You can see his pictures of earlier days with Indira Gandhi, and he was one of the most trusted person in Indira Gandhi time. People used to support him a lot. He was one of the most prominent leader at that time. This is the peak of his earlier life with his wife, and you can see how he was playing Holi at the time of his earlier days. After the death of Pranab Mukherjee, condolence from everywhere started coming, not only from India, from every part of the world, from Russia, from Bangladesh, from Sri Lanka, from Iraq, from Iran, everywhere, from America, means every parts of the world realized that it is a huge loss for them, because he used to have it. When we talk about awards and honors, we can see that he has achieved 2 national awards, that is Padma Vibhushan, India's highest civilian award, and second thing is that he has also achieved Bharat Ratna, means India's highest civilian award in 2019. Foreign honors: Bangladesh Liberation War Honor, Bangladesh Mustaqius Sanmona, 5th March 2013. Gross Cross of Nation Order of the Ivory Coast, June 2016. Grand Collar of Order of Marquis, 18 April 2018. Means academic honor: Honorable Doctor of Later Degree by the University of Wolverhampton, D.Lit by the Assam University. Means this all are the honor for the president of our country, and we can see that. Means this all are the other recognition. Best finance minister in the world according to the survey of Euromoney magazine. Finance minister of the year according to the finance minister of year of Asia by Emerging Market, Daily Newspaper Record, World Bank and IMF. Finance minister of the year by the Banker. Honorary citizenship of Abidjan, Republic of Cote d'Ivoire. Means this all are the recognition of our Prime Minister, President Pranab. You can see what our Home Minister Amit Shah has spoken about him. It is a sad day that Pranab Mukherjee isn't among us anymore. He had expertise in taking to everything together. When in power, he always struck a balance with those in opposition. When in opposition, he never stepped away from playing a constructive role. See, this is a tweet from Russian. Vladimir Putin sent a message for condolence to President of India Ramnath Kovind and Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi following the death of former President of India Pranab Mukherjee. Means of embassy of Russia in India. So you can see all this thing because he was a very good politician, like I have earlier said. See, this is the tweet of Akshay Kumar. Deeply saddened to hear about the demise of former President of India, Sri Pranab Mukherjee sir. His contribution to our nation will always be remembered. Had the good fortune of sharing this special moment with him. My heartfelt condolence to his family and followers. You can also watch what Pranab Mukherjee said about Prime Minister Modi.
Wants to achieve, and he works hard to achieve that. This one should remember, it was not easy for him. Coming straight from the state, not even serving.
At last, I would like to say it's a huge loss for our country, not only for our country, but we can see that from every parts of the world there is a condolence message. You can also watch that. I have already shown all of you that messages. So I would like to say that it's a huge loss for our country, and okay, this was all. This was a tribute to Pranab Mukherjee, and thank you all for listening. So please like, subscribe and share my channel if you think this video is useful for you. So thank you all. Keep supporting, keep watching my video. I will come in next video with a good topic. Thank you. Have a good day.